Scene: a person is standing in front of a whiteboard, holding a marker. Person: Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about two important concepts in economics, the J-curve and exponential growth. The person starts drawing a graph on the whiteboard. Person: Let's start with the J-curve. This graph represents the relationship between a country's trade balance and the exchange rate of its currency. When a country's currency depreciates, its exports become cheaper and more attractive to foreign buyers, which can lead to an increase in exports. At the same time, imports become more expensive, which can lead to a decrease in imports. This can improve the country's trade balance, which is the difference between its exports and imports. The person draws a J-shaped curve on the graph. Person: As you can see, the J-curve shows that in the short run, a currency depreciation can actually worsen a country's trade balance. This is because the initial increase in exports may not be enough to offset the increase in the cost of imports. However, over time, as the country becomes more competitive in the global market, exports will increase and imports will decrease, which can lead to an improvement in the trade balance. The person writes, long run, above the curve. Person: Now let's talk about exponential growth. This is a pattern of growth that increases at an increasing rate over time. In other words, the more something grows, the faster it grows. The person draws an exponential curve on the graph. Person: This curve shows what exponential growth looks like. As you can see, the curve starts out flat, but then begins to increase more and more rapidly. This can be seen in many areas of economics, such as population growth, technological advancements, and investment returns. The person writes, exponential growth, above the curve. Person: However, exponential growth can also have negative consequences. For example, if a company's profits grow exponentially, it may become too big to fail and have a negative impact on the economy if it collapses. Similarly, if the population of a country grows exponentially, it can lead to resource depletion and environmental degradation. The person puts down the marker and turns to the camera. Person: So there you have it, the J-curve and exponential growth. Both concepts are important to understand in economics and can have significant impacts on the global economy. Thanks for watching.